In this lesson, we're going to be going over how to partition coordinates. So a coordinate is going to be partitioned either by a fraction or by a ratio. And if you're given a ratio, you're going to transfer it to a fraction. So the first step that you're going to do involves counting. So when you're counting numbers in between, all right, from -1 to 8, I'm going up 9 numbers. So -1 is 0, and then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 9 numbers. When you're going from 7 to 4, you're going down 3, 7, 6, 5, 4, and then that's 3 numbers, so -3. And then again, from 3 to 7, so that's going up 4 numbers, 3, and then 4, 5, 6, 7, that's 4 numbers. From 9 to 3, I'm going down 6 numbers, so 9. Then we have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, that's 6 numbers. And then finally, letter C, from 9 to 6, I'm going down 3 numbers. And then from -5 to 1, a little bit tricky, but you're going up 4 numbers there. -5, and then -4, -3, -2, -1, 4 numbers. All right, so the first thing that you're going to do for actual partitioning, you're going to find the ordered pair. So A, it looks like we're at -1, 2, and then B, it looks like we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. So what you're going to do is you're going to count the numbers in between your x's. So in between -1 and 7, we're going up 8 numbers. In between 2 and 10, I'm also going up 8 numbers. So then number 1 says partition point P 1/4 of the way from A to B. So my x, we're moving up 8. For y, we're going up 8 again. You're going to take the 1/4 and you're going to multiply both of them by 1/4. So times 1/4, and you're going to get +2, and then we get +2 again. So the last thing that you're going to do is you're going to rewrite your coordinate A. So A, we were at -1, 2. Underneath the x, we're going to put +2. Underneath y, we have +2 again, and we're going to get an answer of, for point P, 1, 4. And that's our answer. When you're dealing with a ratio, you take the first number, put it on top, divide it by, and then you add the 2 numbers together. So for example, for number 3, if it's in a ratio of 3 to 5, you're going to do 3 divided by 3 plus 5. So really this fraction is 3 over 8. So in order to partition this ratio of 1 to 2, you're going to change the ratio into a fraction. So we have 1 divided by 1 plus 1. So we have 1 over 2. Again, you're going to write down your ordered pairs for A. So we have -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, comma, and then we're up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For B, it looks like I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then down 1, 2, 3, 8, -3. All right, so for X, it looks like we're going up 16 numbers. There's 16 numbers in between -8 and +8. From 5 to -3, it looks like we're going down 8 numbers. So I'm going to do number 4. So X, we're going up 16. For Y, we're going down 8. Then you're going to multiply each of them by this fraction. So I'm going to multiply times 1 over 2 times 1 over 2, and we get, for X, we have +8. For Y, I have -4. You're going to add or subtract it again from A. So I'm going to rewrite A, which is at -8, 5. Underneath X, we're going to put +8. Underneath Y, we have -4. And we get this new point Q, which is at 0, 1. And that's my final answer. The rest of these examples are, again, going through how to find the coordinate partitioned either by a fraction or by a ratio. And we can go here, go ahead and pull up the notes right there for the final part of partitioning. For number 5, we're going 1/4 away so that we count X, count Y, multiply by 3/4, add or subtract that back from letter C, and then we have our new point T. For number 6, count X, count Y, multiply it by 2/3, add it back onto the very first number in the very first ordered pair. Number 7, again, partition 2 to 1, so 2 divided by 2 plus 1, 2/3, so we count, multiply by 2/3, and then we have to add or subtract that from the very first ordered pair. And then number 8, we are partitioning 4 to 6. We have 4 divided by 4 plus 6, so 4/10. So we count x, count y, multiply by 4 over 10, and then add or subtract that back from a. You can review numbers 5 through 8, just by pausing the video in the previous recording.